Hello. Alrighty. So this week in my classic planner, I'm going to use my gingerbread clips again. My little moose clip, and these are by the Felty Depot. And then I got this super cute snowman from the Angel Shop. I am pinning on Monday because I was on Tuesday because I was actually busy yesterday. I'm not using the Christmas kit this week, but I'm going to use like Christmas extras. But I wanted to use this kit this week. I was feeling a little rosy. So this is the Smell the Roses kit by Brianna Nicole Designz. So we'll try to flip through it real quick, and it's got all the date covers and everything, deco and half boxes, and then I've got all my little icons and stuff that I'll use as I go along. I love these little clothes stickers, so I have several of them. And then the little snowmen, and then Christmas and the Christmas countdown. Little pill bottles, the I feel tired tomorrow, I don't feel very worky today, the shave, the dishes, and the coffee Monday. So we'll go ahead and get started. So I will start with the full boxes, and with the washi strips being plain black, my countdown will stick out really well. So that'll be nice. So I use Christmas accessories, even though I'm not using a Christmas kit. Alright, so we'll do the date covers. Oops, I guess I could have put the days of the week on. Yeah, hopefully this won't take me too long. I got them a little crooked, but yesterday was my monthly meetup, and I kind of taught a little class myself. I was pretty nervous about it, but I got it done, and we had a good time. We made little mini TN covers. I enjoy my Monday meetup. It's usually anywhere between 5 and 10 of us, and we just pick a Monday night once a month, and we get together and have dinner, and sometimes we work on stuff and sometimes we don't. We just talk. Either way is fun. I always have a good time. It gets a little busy around, the holidays, so it's usually the first Monday of the month, except like in January, because, the first Monday is real close to New Year's and everybody getting ready to go back to work and all that stuff. So I am going to use glitter headers because I'm very fond of glitter headers. But Sunday was my sister's birthday, and I just was busy Sunday too. Some weeks you just don't get everything done. I think for the new year, I might try some bullet journaling. So my videos might change slightly. I might still use like a mini planner for the social media. I haven't decided if I'm just going to incorporate it and just go down to one planner. Might be a little bit easier. It seems like sometimes, some weeks I'm just so busy, it's like, I don't really have time. And then some weeks are just writing. But most generally, I like the stickers and I like the look of them. But I'd kind of like to be able to change up the layout. And I think bullet journaling would be the best option for that, so that I can be a little bit more, you know, try different things I like. I mean, I might only try 2 or 3, and then find one that a layout that I really like and want to use all the time. Or I may not find one at all. Alright, so we'll use this black box up here in the corner. We'll probably put us a Santa Claus up here too. And then I'll use another pretty glitter header right here. Put in this week. And I'll put in a little checklist for a few things I need to get done. We'll do, turn it upside down, I do a little better that way. And then we'll do the dinners. We'll put in our weekly tracker. Then we'll put in goals. And then I will look for the little check boxes, habit trackers. Okay. And this kit only has 2, and I'm out, but that is okay. So I'll just take these little bill-do here and put 2 of them together and make my own. Just put a little shoe right over that covers them up. And then I'll just take my pen and just do, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that'll work. So we got that done. So let's do some decorating. I think this kit is very pretty. Alrighty, so there's the full boxes. I don't think I need any check boxes this week, just a couple smaller ones. Oops. And then Monday was my meetup, so I'll put that in there. Saturday, I got a couple things I want to do. And I think right now, other than my daily chores, I don't have too much stuff I need to mark down. So I think I'm going to leave this fairly open. We'll use this pretty planner since I'm going to plan on Tuesday. And I'll use these pretty ladies since we had the little planner class yesterday. But I want to put a lot more Christmas decoration on there. So we'll go ahead and get started with the icons. So we got Coffee Monday. I did not feel very worky today. My starter, and I am already tired tomorrow. There's little pill bottles. Keep track of my medications. We'll put the Christmas countdown right down here. 21 days till Christmas. It is flat, just getting here quickly. I've got a little bit of shopping done. I still got some more to do. When you got 3 kids, even if they're still fairly adult, you still like to get them stuff for Christmas. I do, anyway. So I'm going to put that little snowman there. And I will sweep there. Put this little snowman here just because he's cute. And I'm going to use this snowman here because I'll probably go shopping Saturday. So he'll be throwing money away rather than like a payday. And then I think Friday might be my veg day. And I'll put her because I'm just going to relax. And I just think these Christmas trees are cute. And I'm going to work on wrapping some gifts Sunday. As always, happy on Friday. I did my bed already. So I'll put her here with the grocery list because I do need to get groceries Saturday. So I'll put this little planning time here. As always, I do laundry on Sundays. Have to have the starter in my car worked on today, so that's kind of important. And I put gas in my other car. So I think let's see if there's anything, because there's enough of this kit left. I will definitely get another layout out of it. Oh, I did pay a couple bills today. That's kind of important. And I'll put the time to go shopping. And I'm going to use the little Christmas girl right here, so it's time to go Christmas shopping. Alrighty. And I will use my Hello Weekend sticker. Put it right here. And I think that that is my spread for the week. I do want to put Santa And a reindeer over here. And I think I'm going to put, since I'm counting down, Santa and his little sleigh down here. So I did add a couple more. So I'll put the moose and the snowman on this side, the little girl and boy gingerbread on this side. So that is my layout for the week. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye!